Today we're taking a look at the SafeLogic Xtreme from Xtreme Systems. The SafeLogic Xtreme is an extraordinary lock in that it is a redundant lock, and that means that it has both an electronic code plus a mechanical combination. I'll show you how that works. First, if you want to open the safe using the electronic code, you simply enter the code. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the lock opens. So it works exactly like an electronic code, with a twist. Because it's a redundant lock, you can also raise the spin dial release, and up here there's a dialing gauge, and now I can dial my combination mechanically and open the safe lock that way. The SafeLogic Xtreme is an EMP-proof safe lock, and the reason we say it's EMP-proof is because it is in fact a mechanical lock. It opens mechanically. No electronics are required in order to open this lock. So by dialing the combination, you're bypassing any electronics and you're opening it mechanically. In the case of an EMP attack where electronics may be rendered unusable, you can simply dial the mechanical combination and gain access to your safe. No electronic lock on its own is an EMP-proof lock. The SafeLogic Xtreme has both an electronic code plus a mechanical combination. Let's show you how that works. So first, to enter the code, you simply enter the code on the keypad. 2 beeps means it's the correct code, and the lock opens. It operates exactly the same as a normal electronic code lock. However, since it's a redundant lock, it also has another way to open it, and that is with a mechanical combination. We'll show you how to do that. You can raise this spin dial release, and you'll see here there's a dialing matrix. I can now dial the combination to the correct combination to open the safe lock. We'll show you how that works. With the spin dial release raised, you can see there's a dialing matrix at the top here. We can dial the combination now to the correct combination, just like you dial a regular mechanical combination lock. So we'll show you how to do that. The first number in our combination is 65, so let's rotate round once. Now go to 65. There's 65 the first time. Now we rotate round again, 65 the second time, 65 the third time, and on the fourth time we're going to stop on 65 at the dialing index. There we are. Dialing index, and that's the number 65. The second number in our combination is 28. So we're going to rotate to 28 the third time we see it. Dial to the right. So there's 28 the first time we see it. Now again, 28 the second time we see it. 28 the third time we see it. We're going to stop on it on the dialing index, right there. And now we're going to dial to the left to 55, the third number in our combination. So here's the first time we see it. We're going to rotate again to the second time we see it, and we're going to stop right on 55. There we are, it stopped on 55. And now we can rotate the dial back to the right, and it'll stop. When it's stopped, the lock is now open. So that's how you dial it open mechanically. Now, in order to close the lock and lock it again mechanically, we rotate the dial 4 times to the left, and that simply scrambles all the wheels, and the combination is cleared. And now we can lock it down again, and now it's back in electronic mode. So we could go ahead and enter our code electronically, and of course it opens electronically also. That's the SafeLogic Xtreme from Xtreme Systems.